Um, dito na po nagtatapos ang aking presentation. Pero bago ang lahat sabi ko nga, itong sa Smart Memory, bigyan niyo yung mga jowa nito para hindi nila makalimutan yung birthday niyo, tsaka yung mga anniversaries niyo. Tsaka pag nagpa-utang kayo, bigyan niyo na rin sila ng ganyan para hindi kalimutan yung mga utang nila sa inyo. Okay po? Salamat po! I'll be question and answer questions. Ano ba kailang minuto ako? 15 minutes na po ako. Umaward daw po ako ng 30 seconds. Okay, ito. Ayan. This one, ito maganda talaga to. Ito yung pag nanonood kayo ng Korean movie, di ba pag nag-meet sila ng mga boyfriend nila, ganon. Kasi maganda sa wrinkles, talaga, tsaka may cooling effect siya. Ito po ang kaaming nabibigay ngayon. Question and answer portion. Sige, magbigay ng out of 4. Bigyan niyo ako ng 3 sa mga diniscuss ko. Ano yung mga diniscuss ko? Anong product ang diniscuss ko? Tayo na lang isa. Sige ka na. Ano? 3, 4. Para sa'yo, 4. One for her. Salamat. And also, with this 3, like the Smart Memory app, Fellowen apple jelly stick and noni juice, meron silang, or there's one antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Para-pero sila doon. Ano yun? Ano po yun? Yes, madam. What is that? Yes, that's the one. Yes, but what is that? Anti-inflammatory and anti-oxidant. Yes, very good. Good job. And if you are not taking those products, or if you're taking, or you're not taking those products, tell me if you're going to take it, which one are you going to take and why? Yes, madam? Ano yung nakakit? Why? Bakit po?
It's good for your health.
Okay, immune system natin talaga eh. Yeah, okay. Ano yung yung nagta-target ng weight loss? Ayun na, hindi nakatulog.
The apple jelly? The apple stick?
Eksakto po. Dalawa niyo po kayo. Thank you so much, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi masasabi, wala ka naman berry bell. Sabi nga lang gano'n, dahil bakit ako nagdaday, wala ka naman berry. Akala niyo lang yun, akala niyo lang wala, pero meron. Salamat pa!
Wow! That is such an amazing presentation! Maraming salamat sa ating sales master, Maribel Sedia. Enjoy niyo yung recent bomb niyo. Okay. Now, so we learned about our wonderful products. Sana po meron po tayo natutunan sa mga produkto po na present po ng ating sales master na si Maribel Sedia po. So before we do that, we are going to do our member testimonies. So meron po tayong dalawang miyembro ng Atomy na magbibigay po testimonial po patungkol po sa paggamit ng mga Atomy products. Sa una po ay bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan si Miss Rosario Lucas.
Oh, you know what? I don't like someone calling me Rosario. To be honest. Because at my work, they cannot call me Rosario. They call me Rose. Because when they call me Rosario, when they're paging me, I don't even go out of my classroom. Okay, anyway, mag-Tagalog daw. I have to. Can we speak Taglish? Okay, magandang gabi everyone. My name is Rose Lucas. Yeah. Oy, wag naman. Wag niyo naman akong tawagin ng Rosario. Pag tinawag ako ng Rosario ng mother ko, it means she's bad. Anyway, I'm here to testimony about the apple pen jelly stick. Okay. Oh, we're all can understand English anyway. It's okay. Okay. Pahirap. Grabe. Anyway, second week of June, I started joining Detox Challenge. And I lost weight. I'm not gonna tell you know, how many waistline I lost. But I did really good and I feel really good about it. And after the challenge, I continue taking the apple pen and stick. That's my breakfast and lunch. Yeah, I take that at work because as all you know, I'm a preschool teacher. I have 24 kids in my class and I have different ages. I have special kids too. But anyway, when I take apple pen, it makes what do you call that? I have I'm always alert and yeah, energy. I always have energy and I don't get hungry at all. Ay, Tagalog, yung English pala yun. Hindi ako nagugutom. So, sometimes when I go to lunch, yung mga co-worker ko, tinatanong nila ako, Miss Rose, what you're eating? So, I have to show them this. I have this and vitamins. Actually, I take probiotics and then the vitamin C and this one. So, they asked me what I'm eating and I said, this one. So I opened this one in front of them and they say, what is that? Jelly. So some of my coworkers, they tried to order from me and they like it. Guys, this is really good. You can lose weight and you can lose your... I have a big belly before. Yeah, I do. And I have a big ASS too, so I use that too. But anyway, this is really good and try it. And it's good, like Maribel said. This one, it has equivalent to 45 green apples. And it's really good. When you eat it, mabubusog ka talaga. Maniwala kayo. Bumili na kayo. Call us, Maribel and me. My name is Rose Lucas. It's not Rosario. Thank you. Magandang gabi.
Maraming salamat, Miss Rose Lucas. Kasi ang friendly ako. And now moving on to our second testimony of our amazing Atomy products. Tatawagin ko na po ang ating pangalawang magbibigay ng ating testimonial, si Miss Jane Bunag.
Hello po. I did the detox challenge with Ate Rose. So
actually wrote what I'm gonna say. I finished the 14-day Atomy Detox Challenge 2 months ago, and I'm incredibly happy with my results. I've lost almost 11 pounds and 5 inches in my waist. To be honest, at first I was hesitant about participating in the challenge because I love food and sweets. Also, my job requires me to move a lot. It worried me that I would feel tired and moody. I work in oncology. I do chemotherapy, and I also work in the acute care, so I'm always on my feet. However, during the challenge, I felt more energized, had no cravings or hunger at all, and I noticed a significant improvement in my overall well-being. I was able to work and still exercise for an hour afterward. I actually do HIIT workouts, and I run the treadmill for 60 minutes. I do the interval workout, so by the time I finish, I'm already sweaty. Within 3 to 4 days, I could already tell the difference in my clothes. My coworkers noticed that my face was getting smaller and my belly was smaller. The detox challenge not only helped my weight loss, it also helped my liver eliminate toxins and gave my stomach a rest for it to reset. To set me on the path to a healthier lifestyle, at the same time incorporating these new habits into my daily routine. I gained a renewed sense of confidence and vitality. Thanks to the support and encouragement of our group, it made the challenge more enjoyable because they were able to motivate me to keep going. I highly recommend this detox program to anyone looking to reset their system and embrace a healthier way of living.
Such an amazing testimony from Miss Jane. Talaga pong napakaganda po ang ating lahat ng produkto ng Atomy. Talagang hindi lang po 4, kagaya po ng sinabi ni Sales Master Maribel Sadia. Tsaka yung mga nagbabalak pong mag-join ng detox, malapit na po. Baka sa susunod kong taon. Kaya yung mga hindi pa po nagtatry, I highly encourage niyo po na mag-try po kayo. Oh, what time is it? It's Himo time! It's Himo time! So now, before we go to our main event, maghihimo time pa po muna tayo. Just make sure po na lahat po tayo ay mayroong hawak na Himo Him. Okay. Para daw oyster sauce.
Okay, what time is it now? Let's all take it together. No, do like this. So you can take a picture.
Okay, everybody, Himoy! Cheers! Atomy! Yep.
O, di po ba masarap ang hinuhim? Hindi po lasang oyster sauce. Sabi po, oyster sauce.
Dito lang.
Naubos niyo po ang isang pakete. Akasan lang po ng loob yan. Masarap po. Now it is time for us to learn how to become successful in Atomy po. Our Diamond Master, Frances Valido Fincher, will now share with us her journey in Atomy. Please welcome our Diamond Master, Frances Valido Fincher.